we had prepared an estimate of 250 CCTV cameras for the Panjim municipal market at an estimate of 25 lakhs rupees. I am surprised. I read in a few newspapers that the smart city wants to install 450 CCTV cameras at the cost of 150 crores. That means 35 lakhs will be one camera. And Surendra Furtado had prepared an estimate for Panjim market for 250 CCTV cameras at 25 lakhs. This is 450 for 150 crores.
150.
You should call for an investigation. How from 25 lakhs for 250 cameras, for 450 cameras is 150 crores.
Is this a scam?
I am not saying anything. That you find out. You write to the Controller General of India. You write to Lok Ayukt and find out whether it is scam or not. I am not telling. Don't put words into my mouth. I am only saying that when CCP prepared the estimate for 250 cameras, it was 25 lakhs. And whereas for Smart City, 450 cameras is 150 crores. That means each CC camera should be around 35 lakhs. Because your mayor is neither a director or a member of Smart City or Amrut or PDA. My commissioner is the member there. You tell me, commissioner is a bureaucrat. Can he raise his voice with the government? He can raise the voice, I can raise the voice. That's why they don't want me there. You have read in between the lines.